Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my video. Before I present the material, let me introduce myself. My name is Jannati. My name is 411119011098. My topic today is the describing bar and chart harvest in Sukatani. Definition: harvest is the activity of collecting or picking crop. Indonesia is one of the largest rice producing countries in the world based on contribution reckoning national production. There are 10 main rice producing provinces: East Java, West Java, Central Java, South Sumatra, North Sumatra, Lampung, West Sumatra, West Nusa Tenggara, South Kalimantan. Rice is the main food ingredient used by Indonesian people after corn and sweet potato, so its availability is quite worthy. Rice applied the easy to live in almost every area in Indonesia. Rice rising to dry or rain weather, and here I will explain it and the bar and chart of the rice harvest in Sukatani village from 1996 to 2000. This is the harvest data. From years 1996, amount from 4 tons, and 1997 amount 35 tons, and 1998 amount 35 tons, and 2000 amount 50 tons. From the data percentage in the bar chart above, from years 1996 given color blue, from years 1997 given color yellow, from years 1998 given color red, from years 1999 given color Tosca, from years 2000 given color green, and the largest harvest occurred in the 2000, which was 50 tons, and the smallest harvest occurred in 1998, which was 30 tons, and the number of harvests for 5 years is 200 tons, and the difference is offered from the largest to the smallest in 2 tons. The average amount of the yield from 5 years is 40 tons. From the per chart from years 1996, 20%, from years 1997, 70.5%, from years 1998, 15%, and for years 1999, 22%, from years 2000, 25%. And last graphic chart given a green line each point. Maybe that's all I can say. If you have any question for me, please comment this video. And thank you for watching. See you, bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.